Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a common problem that many developers face when working with PHP expressions. The problem revolves around the evaluation of a specific expression that combines logical operators and the print language construct, leading to unexpected results. It's essential to understand how operator precedence and short-circuit evaluation come into play in this scenario to grasp the solution effectively. Now, let's explore the solution to the problem. By examining a similar example provided in the PHP manual and insightful comments from experienced developers, we can shed light on the intricacies of the print language construct. In the example print hello and print world, the output is world1 due to the left to right evaluation of the expressions involved. Here, the second print statement is evaluated first, followed by the logical and operation, which result in passing the expression hello and 1 to the left-hand print. Building upon our understanding, let's delve deeper into the solution. Considering the nature of the print construct, the subsequent operator is evaluated after the second print always returns 1. Consequently, when we rearrange the expression slightly as $x equals false and print printed true, the evaluation aligns with the operator precedence, resulting in $x being false. This showcases how the distinctive behavior of print impacts the overall evaluation process. Continuing our exploration, let's focus on a nuanced aspect of the solution. By simplifying the expression to $x equals false and 1 true, we observe that the logical operators interact based on their precedence, leading to $x evaluating to false. This highlights the significance of understanding operator precedence and how it influences the outcome of complex expressions, especially when language constructs like print are involved. In summary, we've unraveled the intricacies of evaluating PHP expressions with logical operators and the print language construct. By dissecting the example step by step, we've gained insights into how operator precedence and short-circuit evaluation impact the final result. I hope this video has been informative and helped clarify any confusion surrounding this common stumbling block in PHP development. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious and keep coding.